everyone. Today I want to present a poem undertitled Those Winter Sundays, written by Robert Hayden. So this poem is widely known is for a powerful message about family relationships, sacrifice, and the different ways people express love. And in this presentation, I will discuss the poem through several perspectives, including the poet's background, the social context, the language used in the poem, and its impact on readers. Through this discussion, we will see how a simple childhood memory develops into a meaning, reflection, and appreciation and regret. Before we begin the analysis, I would like to share the poem first so everyone can be familiar its language and atmosphere. So let's listen to the poem together before moving on the next discussion.
Those Winter Sundays by Robert Hayden. Sundays too, my father got up early and put his clothes on in the blue-black cold. Then with cracked hands that ached from labor in the weekday where the maid banked fires blaze, no one ever thanked him. I'd wake and hear the cold splintering, breaking. When the rooms were warm, he'd call, and slowly I would rise and dress, fearing the chronic angers of that house, speaking indifferently to him, who had driven out the cold and polished my good shoes as well. What did I know? What did I know of love's austere and lonely offices?
Okay, after listening the poem, we can immediately notice its reflective and emotional tone. Although the poem is quite short, it contains many important ideas about family, sacrifice, and understanding. At first glance, the poem seems to describe an ordinary Sunday morning. However, as we look more closely, we realize that the speaker is reflecting on something much deeper. He is remembering his father and reconsidering action that he failed to appreciate when he was younger. Now that we have listened to the poem, let's begin by looking at the main idea. Those Winter Sundays is a poem that explores family relationship, parental sacrifice, gratitude, and regret. Through a childhood memory, the speaker reflects on the love and care his fathers show every Sunday morning. One of the most important ideas in the poem is that love is not always expressed through words. The father rarely shows affection directly, yet his action demonstrates a deep sense of care and responsibility. Another important theme is appreciation. The speaker realized as an adult that he didn't fully understand or appreciate his father's sacrifice when he was a child. Because these themes are universal, many readers continue to connect with the poem today. Before we analyzing the poem in detail, is it helpful to learn more about the poem who wrote it? Now we enter about the poet behind the memory. So Robert Hayden was an American poet born in Detroit in 1913. He is recognized as one of the most important American poets in the 20th century. Many of Hayden's poems focus on the memory, identity, history, and family relationship. His writing often combines personal experience with broader social issues, allowing readers to connect emotionally with his work. Because Hayden experienced challenges during his childhood and family life. Many scholars believe that this experience influenced the emotional depth on his poetry. His ability to transform personal memories into meaningful literary work is one of the reasons his poetry remains widely studied today. So, to understand this poem even better, we can look at how Hayden's own experience may have shaped its emotional atmosphere. Next is Memorize that shaped the poem. Although those winter Sundays is not strictly autobiographical, many readers see connection between Hayden's life and the poem's themes. Hayden's experience a complete family environment during his childhood. Because of this, he often explored themes of emotional distance, misunderstanding, and reflection in his writing. In this poem, the speaker looked back on his relationship with his father and realized that he misunderstood many things when he was younger. This perspective feels realistic because many people experience similar feelings as they grow older and begin to understand their parents more deeply. The personal nature of this reflection gives the poem its emotional strength. Besides Hayden's personal experience, the social expectation of his time also helped explain the father's behavior in this poem. So, during the early 20th century, many fathers were expected to be provider and protector for their family. At that time, men were generally not encouraged to express their emotions openly. Instead of saying, "I love you," many fathers demonstrate their care through practical action and sacrifice. As a result, family members sometimes recognize this expression of love only much later. This social context helps us understand why their father in the poems appear quiet and reserved, even though he clearly cares for his family. These ideas leads directly to one of the poem's central message about love and responsibility. Love expressed through responsibility. In many families, love is shown not through words but through everyday responsibilities. The father in this poem is an example of that kind of love. He wakes up early, faces the cold weather, and prepared the house for his families. These actions may appear ordinary, but they require effort and sacrifice. The poem encourages readers to look beyond verbal expression of affection and recognize the importance of daily acts of care. Sometimes the most meaningful expression of love are the ones that receive in the less attention. This perspective helps readers appreciate the father's action throughout the poem. Now let's move into the textual analysis and examine how Hayden developed this idea through imagery and language. Next is A Cold Winter Morning. The poem begins on a cold Sunday morning. The fathers wake up very early while everyone else still sleeping. Hayden uses the phrase blue black cold to show how cold the weather is. This image helps reader imagine the uncomfortable winter morning. Even though the weather is very cold, the father still gets up without complaining. This shows that he is responsible and willing to make sacrifice for his family. The opening of the poem helps reader understand that the father is a hardworking person who put his family needs before his own comfort. As the poem continues, the speaker begins to understand the meaning behind his father's action. Okay, next is understanding love too late. At the end of the poem, the speaker asks, "What did I know? What did I know of love? Austere and lonely office." This question shows regret. When the speaker was a child, he didn't understand his father's sacrifice. As an adult, he realized that his father showed love through action, not through words. The father worked hard and cared for the family without expecting prizes. The speaker now understands that true love can sometimes be quiet and unnoticed. The realization becomes the most important message in the poem. Because of this message, many readers can relate to the poem. Why readers still connect with the poem? Many readers still connect with this poem because its themes are universal. Most people have experienced family relationships and have seen sacrifice made by parents or family members. Like the speaker, some people only understand the sacrifice when they become older. The poem encourages readers to think about their own families and appreciate the people who cared for them. Because of its emotional message, the poem remains meaningful from readers today. The poem also teaches an important lesson for readers can apply in their own life. Main message of the poem is that love is not only expressed through words. Sometimes people show love through responsibility, hard work, and everyday action. The father never says much about his feeling, but his action clearly show that he cares for his family. The poem also teaches his importance of appreciation. We should not wait until it is too late to recognize the sacrifice that others make for us. This lesson makes the poem powerful and memorable. Before ending this presentation, I would like to mention the sources used. References. This information in this presentation come from Robert Hayden's poem, These Winter Sundays, literary researches and course materials. Researches help me understand the poem themes, background, and meaning more clearly. They also provide useful information about the poet and social context of the poem. Finally, I would like to thank everyone for listening. Thank you very much for your attention. We will explore how those Winter Sundays present themes of family, sacrifice, gratitude, and hidden love. Through the speaker reflection, the poem reminds us to appreciate the people who care for us and recognize the sacrifice. Thank you, and I will be happy to answer any question for you, and see you next time.